No matter your age or past, your next health chapter starts today. It doesn't matter if you're 18 or 88, if you've been active your whole life, or you're just now thinking about making a change. Every single day is a fresh opportunity to take a step toward better health. Maybe you face setbacks, an injury, a diagnosis, or just the feeling that you're too old or too late to start. But here's the truth. Your story isn't over. In fact, it's just beginning. The beauty of health is that it's a journey, not a destination, and you can always choose to turn the page and write a new chapter. Imagine waking up tomorrow and deciding that today is the day you'll make a small change. That's all it takes to start. You don't need to be perfect, and you don't need to do it all at once. The most important thing is to begin, right where you are, with what you have. Ready to turn the page? Here's the truth. It is never too late to improve your health even after setbacks. Maybe you've tried before and it didn't stick. Maybe you've been told by others or even by yourself that change is impossible at your age. But science and real-life stories prove otherwise. The human body is remarkably adaptable, and the mind is even more powerful than we often realize. Every day, people of all ages and backgrounds decide to make a change, and they see results. Sometimes small, sometimes life-changing. The key is to believe that you are capable of growth no matter what's happened in the past. Setbacks are not the end of your story. They're just plot twists that make your comeback even more inspiring. So, if you're ready to take that first step, know that you're not alone. There's a whole community of people cheering you on, and countless resources to help you succeed. Your body is way more resilient than you think. Even if you've been sedentary for years, your muscles, bones, and heart can all benefit from movement. Studies show that people who start exercising later in life still gain strength, flexibility, and endurance. Your cells are constantly renewing, and your body is always looking for ways to heal and adapt. It's never too late to start walking, stretching, or even dancing. And it's not just about physical resilience. Your mind and spirit are just as capable of bouncing back. Every time you choose to move, you're sending a message to yourself. I'm worth the effort. That message is powerful, and it can change everything. Remember, resilience isn't about never falling down. It's about getting back up, again and again, no matter how many times life knocks you off your feet. Take Martha, who started lifting weights after a hip injury at 72. When Martha first got hurt, she thought her active days were over. But with the encouragement of her doctor and a supportive trainer, she began a gentle strength program. At first, it was just lifting soup cans at home. Then, she graduated to light dumbbells at the gym. Over time, Martha not only regained her mobility, but she also discovered a new sense of confidence. She now inspires others in her community to try strength training, no matter their age or ability. Martha's story is a reminder that setbacks can be the start of something amazing. Instead of giving up, she chose to adapt, to learn, and to grow. And she's not alone. There are thousands of people, just like Martha, proving every day that age is just a number when it comes to getting stronger and healthier. Or James, who beat diabetes with walks and better food, not fancy gadgets. James was diagnosed with type 2 diabetes in his late 50s. At first, he felt overwhelmed by all the advice and technology out there. But he decided to start simple. Daily walks around his neighborhood and swapping out processed foods for more fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. He learned to cook new recipes, found joy in preparing meals, and even started a walking group with his neighbors. Over time, his blood sugar improved, his energy returned, and he felt more connected to his community. James's story shows that you don't need expensive equipment or complicated routines to make a difference. Sometimes, the simplest changes, like moving more and eating better, are the most powerful. And the best part? James now helps others in his community take their first steps toward better health, proving that one person's comeback can inspire many more. Real people, real comebacks. These aren't just stories, they're proof that change is possible at any age. Every day, people just like you are overcoming obstacles, big and small. They're celebrating victories that might seem minor to others, but are huge milestones in their own journeys. Maybe it's walking an extra block, lifting a heavier weight, or simply feeling more energetic and hopeful. These moments matter. They add up, and they create a ripple effect. One person's progress inspires another, and soon, entire communities are getting healthier together. So, don't underestimate the power of your own story. You never know who you might inspire just by taking that first step. So, how do you do it? How do you start your own comeback story? no matter your age or your past? The answer is simpler than you might think. It's about making small, consistent changes that add up over time. It's about setting realistic goals, tracking your progress, and celebrating every win, no matter how small. It's about finding activities you enjoy so that movement feels like a reward, not a punishment. And it's about building a support system, friends, family, or even online communities who will cheer you on and hold you accountable. The journey to better health isn't always easy, but it's always worth it. And the best part, you get to decide what success looks like for you. First, move your body. Movement is medicine, and it comes in many forms. You don't have to run marathons or lift heavy weights to see benefits. Walking, gardening, dancing, swimming, yoga. These are all fantastic ways to get your heart pumping and your muscles working. The key is to find something you enjoy, so you'll stick with it. Even gentle movement can improve your mood, boost your energy, and help you sleep better. And remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. If you miss a day, don't beat yourself up. Just get back to it the next day. Every step counts, and every bit of movement brings you closer to your goals. Even a 10-minute walk or dancing in your kitchen adds up. You don't need to spend hours at the gym to make a difference. Short bursts of activity throughout the day can be just as effective as longer workouts. Try parking farther from the store, taking the stairs, or doing a few stretches while you watch your favorite show. The important thing is to keep moving in whatever way works for you. Over time, these small choices become habits, and those habits add up to big results. So, don't underestimate the power of a few minutes of movement. It all counts, and it all helps you feel better, inside and out. Second, eat to rebuild. What you put on your plate matters, no matter your age. Food is fuel, and it can help your body heal, grow, and thrive. Focus on whole foods, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. These foods provide the nutrients your body needs to repair itself, fight off illness, and stay strong. You don't have to follow a strict diet or give up all your favorite treats. It's about balance, variety, and making healthier choices most of the time. Try adding one new vegetable to your meals each week, or swapping sugary drinks for water. Small changes can make a big difference over time. Colorful veggies, lean protein, and water work wonders no matter your age. The more color you add to your plate, the more nutrients you're giving your body. Lean proteins, like chicken, fish, beans, and tofu, help build and repair muscle, especially as we get older. And don't forget about hydration. Water is essential for every cell in your body, and staying hydrated can boost your energy, improve your skin, and help you think more clearly. If you're not sure where to start, try making one meal a day a little bit healthier. Over time, those small changes will add up to big results. But here's the secret ingredient: mindset. Your thoughts and beliefs shape your actions, and your actions shape your results. If you believe you can change, you're already halfway there. Mindset isn't about being positive all the time. It's about being kind to yourself, especially when things get tough. It's about seeing setbacks as learning opportunities, not failures, and it's about celebrating progress, no matter how small. When you approach your health journey with curiosity, compassion, and patience, you're much more likely to stick with it for the long haul. So, take a moment to check in with yourself. What do you believe is possible? What stories are you telling yourself about your age, your body, or your abilities? If those stories aren't serving you, it's time to rewrite them. Be kind to yourself after setbacks. Everyone faces challenges, and everyone slips up from time to time. What matters most is how you respond. Instead of beating yourself up or giving in to guilt, try offering yourself the same compassion you'd give a friend. Remind yourself that progress isn't always linear. There will be